Hello folks, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to move an object from one base point to another. In this drawing, the object I'm going to move is this octagon. It happens to be centered around this point here, and I want this octagon to be copied from here over here, so I'll have two octagons. This will represent the center point of where I want the second octagon placed. In order to do this, I find the best method is to copy with base point. That is, type CO for copy, space, select the object you want to copy, space, then it's asking for a base point. So you can pick any point you want, but because I have a center point here and a center point here, I'm going to select the center as my base point. So I click the middle, the center, and then, as you can see, I've basically got a copy of this octagon that I can put anywhere I want. Wherever I click is going to be the center point of the new octagon. I had indicated that I want this intersection to be the new center, so if I click on the new intersection and then hit escape, I will have copied this octagon to its new location. You can also copy using any other base point. For instance, I will use this intersection point and I will copy this octagon from here to the end of this line, just to demonstrate that. So the same process, type CO, space, what object you want, in this case the octagon, space. Now instead of choosing the center, I'll choose the very right side here, and I will move it to that point there. Hit escape, and you're done. If you don't want to hit escape or you want to make more than one copy, you just keep clicking on whatever point you want to copy that object on, hitting escape when you're done. That's how you make copies using a base point.